Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Lenovo laptop so updates don't fail. Plug in the charger and confirm battery is healthy. Next, create a restore point or backup critical files to an external drive because updates can alter system state. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or plug into Ethernet to avoid interruptions. Make sure your connection is not set as metered. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for updates to start the process. You will see available updates listed. Review them and prioritize security and driver updates first, since they fix stability and hardware compatibility. Click Download and watch progress. Some installs require multiple phases and automatic reboots, so accept prompts promptly. If feature updates appear, install them after drivers. Use active hours to prevent unexpected restarts and pause updates temporarily if you need uninterrupted work. Make sure to allow device drivers to install. Lenovo driver updates often resolve touchpad, camera, and firmware issues. You finish by confirming the update completed. Open Settings About and check the Windows 11 build and update history to ensure everything installed. If something failed, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and then reboot. Make sure drivers from Lenovo Vantage are up to date because OEM firmware often fixes post-update hardware issues. If a driver causes problems, uninstall it or roll back via Device Manager or restore your system point. As a last resort, use the Media Creation tool to repair or reinstall Windows while keeping files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.